Today, I'll show you how to access and use Cranium Cafe. There are two ways that you can get into the program. The first way is to open up a blank tab and look up my.craniumcafe.com in the search bar. Type in Estrella Mountain Community College into the search bar and hit enter. Select the button, Take Me There. Read the consent statement and select the green button if you agree to the information. After you log in with Canvas using your MEID and password, select Authorize to be taken to the Student Services page. This page will have tile cards for various different resources. If you would like to meet with a tutor, scroll down to the Academic Affairs section. Here you will have access to the tile cards of all the Academic Success Center tutors. Locate a tutor who is available to assist you with your subject, and select the Knock on Door button to meet with them. The second way to access Cranium Cafe is to go onto Estrella Mountain homepage and search Cranium Cafe in the top right corner. Select the search button labeled Remote Tutoring. Scroll down and select the hyperlink located under the Cranium Cafe information section. Some teachers will have this link provided in their Canvas courses. You will automatically be taken to a gray screen with a question asking, "Why would you like to meet?" Select the course subject you need assistance with. You may have to wait a bit until a tutor is available to add you to their lobby. Once a tutor is available, you will automatically be able to connect and meet with them virtually through audio and video. The left-hand side of your screen will have all the functions available to you. You are able to turn off your audio and video by selecting the mute and stop sharing in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. To the right of your photo in the left corner, you have the option to share your screen with the tutor so they can view what you see on your device. To turn screen share off, select the same button you did to turn it on. As a student, you have the ability to share documents with the tutor using the Document Upload/Share button. Once selected, a pop-up will appear where you have the option to upload a document, a whiteboard, or a Google Doc from your computer. The whiteboard button allows you to access a virtual board in which you can write on for you and your tutor to view. When the whiteboard opens, you can give writing access to the tutor through selecting the button in the right-hand corner that looks like a lock. Now you and the tutor will be able to write on the board simultaneously. Available to you is also a meeting invite link, where you can directly invite others to join the meeting by typing in their email address to the search bar. There is also a button labeled Keyboard Shortcuts that gives you tips and tricks that can help you while using Cranium Cafe. You can also type in your questions using the Send a Message button. The bottom of the screen will have captions that will automatically write down what is being said in the meeting. You can change the font size of these words or select Hide Captions to remove them from view. Located at the top of the screen, you can change audio and webcam settings to your preference as well as turn off captioning. In the case of multiple students in a meeting, you can privately chat with the tutor by selecting the message bubble in the top right corner of the tutor's video. To enlarge the video, you can also click on the CC button in the same location. Finally, if you no longer need assistance, you can end the meeting by clicking on the orange End Meeting button in the top right-hand corner of the screen.